All right, it's the day of the party. Everything's all set. The table is laid with the tablecloth. So I steamed it to get the lines out, the folds, and then it just left these little bubbles. But that is fine. We'll work with it. And so we're gonna get started. It's 10 o'clock now, 10:15. Everybody should be arriving by 12. And we'll go from there. And then we got donuts because we're gonna start out with donuts for the day because we got a long day with the girls and we want to make sure everybody has their food, has something good to eat, or at least has something in their stomach. Hopefully this is enough. Hopefully they've eaten breakfast and everything, and this is just a little snack before we get going on skating. Oh, and while I'm here, might as well show quickly, this is the bathroom. This was updated on my DIY channel. I transformed this bathroom. If you want to see how I did that or how it looked before, check the video. It's linked below. And then this here, I just put this here because it's easier for the little ones to dry their hands on this without using up all the paper towels. So this is just a little added thing that I did a while ago, and it's been working out. It's not the most aesthetic looking thing, but it's convenient. So this is a shower ring, and then I just added the towel. So little hands can dry with that, and then I just transfer it out. I have like 10 of those, and I just keep changing them out regularly so that it's sanitary. And Blancy's here. This dog's name is Griselda Blanco. We got her, and that was her name. So we just called her Blanca. But then Blanca just got shortened to Blancy or Blancas. So I usually call her Blancy, and then everybody else started calling her Blancy. So her name is kind of like Blancy now, but her real name is Griselda Blanco. Again, we did not come up with that name. If anybody knows who that is, it's a real person. Right, Blancy? We changed her name. You like it better? Okay. And did you say you wanted to peek at me? Because I'm not going to be able to show hardly anybody else. But yes, here I am, in case you were wondering. Get the light. So I'm just dressed for the party. This is what I chose to wear. I'm going to be wearing some knee-high boots, flats, of course, because we're going to be out and about a little bit. I'm trying to adjust this. There's a lot of material under here. So I'm wearing my custom shirt. It says, and whatsoever she doeth shall prosper, because this is a girl party. And I just want to empower the women, empower the young generation of girls who will soon be women, young women. Most of them are 12, between 9 and 13. That's the age range. So for the hair, so I sprayed it a little bit with some water. And I put these little things on it to stretch out the hair in the back because I want it to just be not as shrunken. And then I sprayed a little bit of water on the sides because I want my sideburns to hang. And then I put these clips to just weigh it down while the water dries. That's a little trick. I'm sure plenty of people know about this little trick. But yeah, it's what I'm doing to keep these down. And I just put on a headband. I got this from Saks off 5th. I get all my headbands from there. And me and my daughter end up sharing them. So this is it for now. And here goes Kitty. Hey, Kitty. We got her. And my daughter named her Kit Kat. And I just been calling her Kitty. Or Kitty Witty. Sometimes Witty. And then we have this one running over every time Kitty gets attention. It's okay, Blancy. Hi, Kitty. This has to be my mother. It is. Hey, Mom.
Hello. Hey, Glad. Taking pictures?
I'm vlogging, actually. You want to be on the vlog?
No.
Can you be on the vlog? You want to be on the vlog?
Hi, vlog.
Vlog with a V.
Oh.
It's
Hi, vlog.
What'd you say?
I'm not fucking tearing my basement up.
I'm sorry. Okay, one more time. How would it feel if she took your phone? And then she was
Mine in the morning, mine in the evening, all the day long. Sing my song. Oh, Jesus is mine. Jesus is mine. Everywhere I go, everywhere I be, oh, Jesus is mine.
Okay, so it's about 7. There's a couple of people still here. Wrapping up the vlog, and the party's over and I need to relax for the evening, so I'll catch up with you all tomorrow.